CLP leader Okram Ibobi has raised big question mark on whether people in violence-hit Manipur are truly enjoying the celebration of Republic Day in its true essence and spirit under Bjp-Led state government. Okram Ibobi said this during observance of 76th Republic Day and 110th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu at Congress Bhavan yesterday. Speaking further, Okram Ibobi maintained that Mahatma Gandhi once said that the true essence of Republic Day celebration will be felt only when there is equal development in both rural and urban India. And on the contrary, the BJP government in state has avoided holding the local body election, first citing the COVID-19 pandemic and now due to ongoing violence crisis in the state. However, the Lok Sabha election was held in the state amid the ongoing crisis. While accusing BJP government of changing its statement from time to time, Okram Ibobi expressed doubts on whether people in the state still enjoys the Republic Day celebration under the reign of BJP-led state government. Okram Ibobi further called for concerted efforts in addressing the issues and in bringing peace to the state. MPCC President K. Meghachandra, CWC member Gaikhangam and other Congress leaders attended the program.
Ngashigi BJP na sason tawri film sidadi koi humudra taruk suba Republic ki wahan thok haiba tarin Manipur labor praja koding makta ai phawirangani haibisi thajade local body election tawgidabase haidi question oina hangi baneba BJP government jang ta khumbira oba adugo state to covid namara moidna local body election tawgide Bengal do ibe UP do ibe Assam do ibe tawdaba amat su laiti rang hak le ngarang na hanjo mo irang sina maram moidna local body election tawdaba ni na ai khabaram da thengnai ado irang sina oita irang sina ngarang na handa parliament ki lok sabha ki election akhoi sidaida tawkhriba dudi kamai tawba duna sigum bang hak le ga mangang hak le mangang tawba sina aikoida mudra taruklak suba Republic ki nungai bado madugi mahaudo khoida chap manana phawwa aidi khara walam gadra na Manipur leiba praja singse admaina fil tawjabani